I will take care of the drink, which will be a Kurua juice. Before starting, I will wash my hands to remove all the dirt and or germs they have. First, I will take the necessary ingredients out of the fridge, which are water, milk, and 5 kurulas. After taking the ingredients out of the fridge, we take the kurulas and remove the pulp to put it in the blender. Then we pour the water into the blender and proceed to blend. Once the juice is blended, we proceed to strain it and add more water to the blender to rinse it and not waste anything. Then we mix the milk with more water and 5 tablespoons of sugar. In my saucepan, I use a small spoon since we use sugar for diabetics. Having already done the above, we mix the milk with the juice. And ready, we can now enjoy our Kurwa juice.
Hello everyone. For the first step, I'm going to tell you about opening this palette. For this palette, I used the following ingredients: mango, banana, pear, and mandarin. After preparing them for shaving, I started by shaving and peeling each of the fruits. The idea for this entry is a small fruit salad, one that that's your appetite. And this is the final result. Thank you very much.
Well, hi, my name is Luis Angel Martinez, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a mooncake, a cupcake. We need the next ingredients: flour, sugar, milk or cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, milk, one egg, and oil, and that's it. I think that continues. I'm going to tell you the how to make it. First of all, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of flavor. This is actually the current trick, so it isn't very difficult to see. We are going to add it to the mug in this case, or you can add it to another recipe. Second, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. It doesn't matter if this another kind of sugar, but the important is that it's sugar. After that, we need to add 2 tablespoons of milk or cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. In this case, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and at the end we need to add 3 tablespoons of milk. It doesn't matter what kind of milk, and 1 egg, like I told you. Well, we need to get into the mug, in that mug in this case. and we are going to oil it. We need to stir it well until it gets smooth. It is going to take a while, so for this time I'm going to make a cut. After the cut, I'm going to show you actually how is it going. And well, I'm just, I don't know, like 1 or 2 minutes of that, of stir, and we need to get to still do it until we get a smooth, the mug is smooth. But you can see, it seems very well, but we need to oil it another, I don't know, 5 minutes or 6 minutes till you find the perfect smooth substance that we are searching.